I'm here today to present to you a new backpack I got in for review today. I'm Ron Brown's YouTube channel, where I do a lot of tech videos, camera, drone videos, all sorts of tech. But backpacks really come into play on the channel because I'm always looking for a backpack that can carry all my various gear. Again, my cameras, full size cameras, action cameras, pocket cameras, drones, all that various stuff. But also I like a backpack that you can also put some other stuff in too, and that's not say necessarily tech gear, clothing items, water bottles, various items like that. So I've kind of never found the perfect backpack. I've had the Peak Design ones and the a couple other brands that, I'm not here to tout other people's brands here, but anyhow, so this company reached out to me a little while back and asked me if I was interested in reviewing their backpack. So I took a look at it online. I believe you can get it on Amazon. I'll have more of that coming up here next portion of the video. But I looked at it. It seemed like something I would be interested in reviewing because I don't take products that I don't really have a strong interest in to make videos about. I just don't do a good job if it's not something I really want to have. And full disclosure here, they sent me this backpack free for review. I get to keep it, all that, but they're not paying me any money to do this review. They don't have any editorial control over what I said. They're not going to see this video before it comes out. So full disclosure there. So look at the impressive packaging here. It's a good sized bag. We'll find out what liter it is, but impressive packaging, the silver thing. Now, the name of the company, I'm not sure if the name of the company is Vortex or whether it's Black Voyage. I don't know what, I believe the company's name is Black Voyage, and I'll have that, in more detail here. And I believe the name of the bag is the Vortex. And it says vacuum sealed compression technology, precision engineering, and also up here it has designed in the U.S. So, of course, that's a good thing if you live in the U.S. And it's got a little warning here. And they call this, on this little tag with the UPC code, it says the Zephyr 8805 Black Pump. So that may be the model. I'm going to have all this linked down below, the name, the website or Amazon, where you can go look at all the specifics or whatever. So this is kind of a quick and dirty unboxing here. We're going to go more full feature, but I just want to show you how it arrives. Of course, it arrives in a typical cardboard carton that you don't need to see, but you've seen it a million times, right? So, but this is impressive packaging in here. So let's assume you get this thing open. I even see there's like a air bubble down here, air thing here to let it out. So I don't even see a way to open it without maybe. Oh no, I was gonna say it needed a pair of scissors. It doesn't. It has. I don't know what you would call this, where, it's almost like a sandwich bag where you have the two things that lock in. We'll call it a locking bag for better. So let's pull the unlocking thing here. Oops, I thought it was unlocking, but maybe I have to tear a layer off first. I may cut some of this out. I don't want to bore you with me opening the bag up. Okay, I think I got it. All right. We pulled that off, and it does have one of these sealed bags. So you can put it back in here if you want to. So, okay, so we're going to pull the bag out here. And you don't need to see this anymore. We're going to get this off camera here. And it's trash too, so that's off. Okay, so it has more packing here. One of these nice soft, I don't know what you would call these type of bags, but nice, very soft protective bag. Again, we don't need that anymore. Get rid of that. So here is the bag, and it's you can see it's a black color bag. We'll get the weight and everything for it in the future here, but it has maybe this is the front side. Of course, this is the back with the straps. There it has the Black Voyage, the company naming, I guess, and there's a nice fact tag right here. Black Voyage lifetime warranty. About Black Voyage, it's a whole bunch of stuff you can get off here. There's a activate thing here. Maybe you can register online. Yeah. Scan the QR code to register your product online. So that's very impressive here. We'll maybe look into more of that later here. Just trying to get through this unboxing. So has a strap here holding everything together here. I don't see a way to undo it here. I think maybe you just pull this stuff up. Maybe that's a permanent strap there. Yeah. So you pull this up. So there's your back things, and there's like a a clip there to keep things neat or whatever. And here's here's the ones that go around your waist. So you can put a lot of weight in this. It's very secure. It has the waist, has that piece here to keep it stable. It has this thing here permanent that you can always put the stuff back in place. Now it looks like it has padding back here, and even has a zipper up here. So it opens back here. Sorry, I'm starting from the back here, but I don't know if you can see that. But it even has a compartment back here for stuff that has the orange lining in here. So yeah, it has a nice compartment back there. Not very big, but you could put, I don't know, maybe a piece of clothing or something in there. I don't know, light jacket. Of course, on the side here, it has what looks like to be like, kind of possibly a cup holder here. Maybe too small. It has a zipper here. So yeah, you unzip that and makes it larger for bigger size, cups, maybe a tripod, pretty deep. So maybe you could hold a tripod or a large cup. Again, the more you zipper it down, the wider it becomes. So that's pretty cool. And you just tuck that back in again and zip it back up again. And it has, on this side here, it has a handle so you can carry it this way as well as this way. It has a top handle and a side handle. So two different ways of carrying it. Over here, it looks like it has a little, some sort of little compartment here. Again, I haven't, it has a, like a USB symbol. So maybe you can charge this up and have a USB port. Again, it has USB-C and USB-A port on the side there. So maybe this has a little battery pack inside. And here is, let's see, it has two little snaps up here, I guess, to release the front part here. We'll undo those right now. But underneath this one strap here, it has TSA approved lock here. So for travel, you can lock this. There's the, looks like the key right there, or maybe it goes on a combination. We'll look into more of that later, but there it is here. So you can lock this while you travel. So let's open the front here. Well, let's open the front here. The front. There's two fronts here. So we'll open this front here. And here's a small little bag in here. And here's a whole bunch more literature to look at here. It's IP7 water rated right there. Here's more literature here. We're going to go into all that a little bit later. So yeah, it's a little front compartment here. So small enough to put some stuff you need to get to quick. Has a key thing, that the key fob holder that comes apart there. So you can take your keys with you and then put them back in the bag for security. It has a zippered compartment here, one of these mesh zipper compartments here. You put your wallet, some kind of valuables in there. So that's very handy to access on the front there. Yeah, very handy to get to without opening the main compartment up. And it has double zippers on this. Yeah, double zippers, so you can get both sides. And here is, I guess we're getting to the main compartment now. Maybe not. Here looks like what is, I guess, the main compartment here. Here's more literature here. Talking about the zippers, about pulling firmly. Here's more informational card. Again, it's a lot to get into with this bag. I just want to give you the real overview here. It's got a vacuum seal technology in here and like a little plug. So I don't know, maybe you can even put water in here. This doesn't zip all the way down on this side, just this side here. So, it has a little package in here, a travel vacuum pump. So we got a lot to learn here on this. And it's a couple different compartments in here also. A zipper compartment up here with a kind of a see-through plastic material. So, and it has a second one down below. So yeah, a lot of little compartments. And again, I don't know what this vacuum sealed thing over here is, but we will figure that out. I hope you can you know, you can see that. So, okay, so now let's go to it's another compartment here. I thought that was the main compartment. Let's try to get to the main compartment. Maybe that was the main compartment. So I'm still trying to figure all this out here, folks. This is just an expanding thing. You can expand it to go larger. So I think maybe we've hit it all here. Have we hit this? Oh no, here's a back compartment here. This looks like it's a laptop top compartment back here. Yeah, here is where that USB A cord here. But this looks like your backpack compartment here. It's orange in there. Has many slot sleeves, like maybe for a laptop, maybe an iPad also, or something smaller. Pencil holder compartments up here. Things up here, maybe to hold a mouse, anything like that, smaller compartments. So yeah, it, you know, this is where your laptop would be. So yeah, so that's just a kind of quick overlook of the bag here. It's a lot to learn this bag here. I will do a lot of reading here, research, figuring out. We'll come back with another part of the video where we go more into fine details of, you know, this looks like very full featured backpack here. So see you in the next segment.